Good morning everyone. So my name is Coach Lem from Anytime Fitness Wilson. So we will tackle one of the machines that we commonly see here inside the gym, which is called the Lat Pulldown machine. So the reason that tinawag siyang Lat Pulldown machine, it's because tinatarget niya yung one muscles of our upper back, which is called the latissimus dorsi. So usually the latissimus dorsi is an essential muscle usually for the swimmers. So not only for the swimmers, also for everyday people. So kasi marami siyang benefits lalo na sa ating katawan. So demonstrating how to use the Lat Pulldown machine is one of our members here in Anytime Fitness Wilson, Sir Justin. First, before we start, lock ourselves here. So adjust. Okay. So para secured yung ating clients or mga members, kasi if this is too loose, sometimes pwede silang mahila ng ating machine, especially if heavy yung kanilang binubuhat. Next, i-assist natin yung client getting this bar. Then the weight will depends on how heavy they can pull the bar. Okay? Then Sir Justin, can you do one pull down, please? Okay. So as we can see, Sir Justin is doing the Lat Pulldown. So we could see that the muscles here is contracting. So once again, Sir Justin. Okay. So the bar should hit our collarbone. The elbow should not go outside, should go downward so that we could target the muscles at our upper back fully. We should avoid slouching. So we must do chest up, because if we do slouching, chances that we're not doing the proper way of Lat Pulldown. So how to fully finish the Lat Pulldown is first go slowly, then stand up properly, then bring down the bar up. Then that's it. So you already finished working out your upper back, and at the same time, you fully utilize how to use the latissimus pull-down machine. Thanks, Sir Justin, for helping us. So if you want to know more details on how to use the Lat Pulldown machine or any machines here inside the gym, you can approach us coaches here at Anytime Fitness Wilson, and we will try to accommodate you on how to use them properly and safely. So if you want to know more details regarding our branch, visit us on Facebook, Anytime Fitness Wilson, or contact us to know more details regarding it. So I'm Coach Lemel from Anytime Fitness Wilson. Thank you.